guys, welcome back to Honey's Food Hill. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken nuggets. In this chicken nugget recipe, I'll be using 300 grams of boneless chicken. So I'm just going to bring the chicken into the blender. I've cut this into smaller pieces. I'll go ahead and season the chicken right inside the blender. So I'll go in with half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of tomato sauce, and lastly, half teaspoon of salt. And I will now blend this into a smooth consistency. Once I have a very smooth consistency like this, I'll just set it aside. I have these 4 pieces of bread, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove the brown edges with a knife. Once I have this ready, I'm just going to wet this in water. And then I'm going to squeeze out excess water from the bread. Now I'll go ahead and add in the wet bread together with the chicken. I'll also add in a tablespoon of corn flour and a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'll go ahead and blend this again until all the ingredients combine together. I'll now transfer this into a bowl. So next I'm just going to hold my hand, then cut the chicken paste into a small bowl, then try to mold it to a neat shape. Once I have shaped my chicken into desired shape, next I'll dip it into flour, just lightly. Make sure your flour is seasoned with salt and pepper. Then I'll remove it and dip it in egg wash. I use 2 eggs to prepare the egg wash. Then remove it into breadcrumbs. And we have our chicken nuggets breaded. So I'm going to repeat the cycle again. After breading the chicken nuggets, it's time to fry them. You can as well bake this if you prefer that. In a deep pan, add some oil to it. Once the oil is heated, transfer the chicken nuggets into it. So just make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. So we are going to fry this until it's golden brown. You can flip this over after about 3 minutes just to prevent the sideline under not to burn. Once my chicken nuggets are golden brown, just the way you're seeing, I'm going to transfer them and drain on a paper towel. So guys, your chicken nuggets are ready. This was how to make a simple chicken nuggets recipe at home. You can easily enjoy this with some ketchup, stew, or whatever you have in mind. I'm definitely sure kids will love this. If you tried this recipe out, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. Until next time, I'd love to see you soon. Bye.